What's up, everyone? Check out this really nice wooden birdhouse I just picked up off Amazon. This thing was really easy to assemble. It came in just a few pieces. You just simply tighten these screws down with the Allen wrench that they provide in the certain areas, and you are all set. It takes about 5 minutes to put together. It has a few different ventilation holes for the birds. That way you know you're going to get proper air circulation in there. The roof is really nice too. It comes painted green, so it's like a waterproof cover on top of there. That way nothing gets wet and the birds are going to stay nice and dry inside. All right, so let me open it up for you here. It comes with like a hinge door on the side. It does have a mesh bottom for proper air circulation. That way nothing gets too moldy under there. You can see the hole up in here, and the bird's going to be able to fly right on in here and build their nest nice and comfortably inside here. All you do is shut the door, turn the latch, and you're good to go. So you can install this on a wall or a tree. I didn't want to drill into the tree, so I got these wires here and some chain and just simply wrapped it all the way around nice and tight, so that's going to be nice and stable on there. So if you are really into birds, I highly recommend picking up this wooden birdhouse today. Thanks for watching.